Hello, welcome back to the Canvas Whisper. Today we are stepping into a magical world through art, a watercolor forest painting with a glowing lantern path. This isn't just a tutorial, it's a journey. Imagine walking through a quiet forest at dusk. The trees rise tall and silent. The air is cool with fireflies dancing in the shadows. Suddenly, a warm glow appears, a lantern waiting to guide you deeper into the unknown. That's the story we are going to paint today. Stay with me step by step, and by the end of this tutorial, you will have your very own enchanting forest glowing with mystery. So, let's get started. We will begin by wetting our paper with clean water, then dropping in light shades of blue. Let the paint flow. This is the soft twilight sky just before night fully takes over. Now let's bring in the forest guardians, the trees. With a mix of black and brown, begin painting tall trunks stretching upward. Let them slightly twist naturally because forests are never perfect. They are wild, alive, and mysterious. As you move towards the edges, add darker shades, indigo, teal, even hints of blue and green. Blend them smoothly. Think of it as the forest breathing, soft in the center, darker at the edges, as if it's pulling you in. Take a pause, tilt your paper, and let gravity paint some of the magic for you. Watch how the colors blend into each other like fading daylight melting into night. Every forest has a secret, and in ours is the winding path with muted greens, soft browns, and touches of grey create stone like steps leading into the painting. Don't make them perfect, let them look worn, ancient, and almost forgotten. Blend the lower steps and lower bushes darker, and the higher steps and the side bushes lighter. So they seem to disappear into the glowing mist. Add more trees with branches reaching across the sky, some bare, some thin. As you do this, imagine these trees have stood here for centuries, silently witnessing stories untold. Layer them with darker in the front, lighter in the back to create depth. This gives the feeling of stepping into the tunnel of trees. Now let's sprinkle in the magic with fine brush and pens on the trunks, and to make them glowing, add details of light and shadow of brown and darker shades. Keep some of the trees brighter and some faint as they look alive, moving in the forest air. And tell me in comments what story did this forest tell you till now. Step back for a moment and look at your painting. You will notice how every detail you are adding is creating balance between mystery and wonder. Now comes the most magical part, the lantern. Using warm yellow and orange, paint the glowing center, keeping the core bright, almost golden, and softly blend outwards with the diluted paint, letting it fade into the surrounding blue sky. Imagine the lantern as more than just light, it's a symbol. Maybe it's hope, maybe it's a guidance, maybe it's a calling you towards a new beginning. That's the beauty of art. Every viewer finds their story and their very own story inside it. The glowing effect is what will make your painting come alive. To enhance it, darken the areas of the lantern and around it with dark brown and black so the light feels even warmer in the contrast. Next, move to the forest floor with rich jewel tones purple, pink, orange, and green. Paint clusters of wildflowers at the base of the trees. Let them glow softly under the lantern light. These flowers are like whispers of color, breaking the silence of the darker woods. We have now painted a story, not just a scene. Our watercolor forest feels alive with shadows that hide secrets and light that invites us forward. This lantern is more than just a paint on paper. It's the reminder that no matter how dark the path may seem, there is always a glow waiting to guide us. So the question is, if you were standing here, would you like to follow the lantern's path into the unknown? Answer this in the comments. If you enjoyed this step-by-step watercolor painting tutorial, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your fellow art lovers, and subscribe to the Canvas Whisper for more such stories painted with colors. Till then, thank you.